Hey guys, so in this video we're going to talk about withdrawing from your Skrill account, everything you need to know about withdrawing from Skrill and my absolute best way to withdraw. And you want to stick around to the very end of the video because I'm going to show you how you can actually make money while you're withdrawing money from Skrill. Not a lot, but definitely something you want to check out. So but before we continue, let's just take note of my account balances. This is my Zenith bank account, and you can see I have about 2,671.63 kobo to be exact. If I scroll over, this is my Zenith bank USD account, which I have 1,167 USD. Okay, so now let's head over to Skrill and get on this whole withdrawal thing. So now to withdraw from Skrill, we're going to click on the withdrawal tab. Of course, there are three basic ways that you can, at least that's available to me on my account, that I can withdraw. The first one is to my bank account. So I can withdraw to my credit or debit card. I've only tried to withdraw to my UBA prepaid card. 7.5% fee there, and then there is Neteller, which is about 3.49% fee, which is fair compared to the credit card or debit card way. The bank account is the best. You can see here from what I have in my account, which is 394, you can see the maximum amount I can withdraw. For me now, it's about 388 for bank account, 367 for card, and 381. So you can see it's the best one is to withdraw to a bank account. I only have my Zenith bank account linked to this. But before now, I actually had my GigPay GBP account linked to my Skrill, but it has been removed. Let me show you my transaction history and you would see why I removed that. So you can see that I made a withdrawal to my GigPay virtual account. This is the withdrawal clear junction, and I withdrew USD, but I was supposed to receive GBP. But once I made that withdrawal, about, I think, 26th of November, and that money did not come into my account. After days of waiting, the money was refunded to me. You can see returned withdrawal. This is the only GBP account I've tried. I've not tried my gray account or any other GBP virtual account I have, but I'm sensing that most of these virtual accounts might not work. But to be fair, this is the only one I've tried. Okay, so you guys let me know in the comment section if you've tried your gray GBP account or any other virtual accounts on your Skrill and it worked. And the reason why I use GBP is because if we go to withdraw again, we go to bank and we want to add a bank. From the drop down of list of countries, you can see I have Nigeria here. But if I want to add a US account, for instance, so by the way, guys, you should not be using gray virtual USD account because there's a lot of issues with it right now. It's not working. People's money are trapped, and I don't want you guys losing your money. Okay, so I stopped using their USD account for a long time. I've actually not used their GBP account. The last time I used it, there was no problem. So I think that one is still working. A lot of people have also told me that it still works. Okay, just a side note there. But back to what we're doing is, if you see here now, I'm trying to link a US account, but there is no US United States from the countries drop down. We see a United States minor outlying islands, and this is not actually the United States. Okay, this is just it's an island in and around. Guys, you should just Google about the United States minor outlying islands. You will understand. It's quite an interesting thing. It's just a place that tourists visit. It's not actually a country. It's just a weird thing. I don't even know why they have it here, because this is not qualified to be referred to as the United States, and the accounts that I have is not going to work. You can even see it says country not supported. Then why did they put it in the drop down? Yeah, so this is not going to work. So that's to say your USD virtual account from wherever you got it from is not going to work on Skrill, because Skrill does not allow you to link a United States account, even whether it's virtual or not. Okay, so that's the reason why I try to use the GBP, because the British pounds is here. So if we try United Kingdom, I think it already popped up when we tried before. You can see the United Kingdom is here, and you can go on to add this is the bank account I added before. You can go on to add your GBP account that you get from GigPay or anywhere else. So now the only way I withdraw is actually to my domiciliary account. That's the only way I find works. And if I click on banks, you can see there's also very limited amounts of banks that you can have here. I can select Fidelity Bank, GT Bank, Polaris Bank, and then Zenith Bank. Now, these four banks, you have to have USD denominated accounts with them. I have one with Zenith Bank. And most of you guys have been asking me, if you were to create a DOM account, which one will you choose? All of them are good, but for so many reasons you might want to choose one. The best for me right now, I think, is Zenith Bank. It used to be UBA because UBA was really widely accepted, I thought, because UBA of course is a big bank, one of the banks with the highest number of branches in the country and even continent wide. But right now Zenith Bank seems to be, if there's any place where there's just one bank that's partnering with any platform like Skrill or Paystack or anywhere, it's usually Zenith Bank. So for that reason, I think Zenith Bank is a bank that you want to open a domiciliary account with. Although the process can be tedious, but if you can go through it, please do and get yourself a Zenith Bank account. And now you can see if I select my Zenith Bank, I can add the account number and easily do that. I've already done it, so let me go ahead on and initiate a withdrawal and show you guys the entire process. We click on withdraw, of course, and click on withdraw now, and I am going to select this. That's the only bank account I have, and click on next. So I'm going to withdraw the amount here in my account, which is about 388. Sorry, it's 394, but of course they're going to charge about 5.7 USD like you saw, and I'm going to click on limit so that all of that money will go into my account. And then I'm going to click on next, and now I'm going to withdraw that money into my Zenith Bank account. Click on confirm and it goes through. So guys, one thing I like about this is that it's really fast when you withdraw from your Zenith Bank account. So this is going to be real time. Remember when I told you guys I've just got the credit alert, and you guys can see, remember when I told you I had $1,167 in my Zenith Bank account, and on my Naira account I have 2,671 Naira. Take note of that. So I'm going to go off right now and re-log in into my Zenith app. So once I re-log in into my Zenith app, you can see that I have now 4,615 Naira in my account. Where did this extra money come from? It came from bonuses from receiving money into USD, actually into my DOM account. So if you have a Zenith Bank Naira account and a Zenith Bank DOM account, if you receive money into your USD account, you're going to be credited. You just get a bonus into your Naira account, which I think is pretty neat. So it took literally less than a minute, let's say 30 seconds, and I was credited into my Zenith account, which is why I think is the best way to withdraw from Skrill. First of all, the transaction fees are cheaper compared to the other options that you have. Number two, that bonus you make money actually while withdrawing from your Skrill account or wherever into your Zenith Bank USD account. And number three is that it's super fast. It's less than a minute, 30 seconds, you have your money in your Zenith Bank account. So I just wanted to bring that to you guys to let you know how best to do this. Maybe you're withdrawing into another different domiciliary account, maybe the one you have from GT or something. Maybe they might not be giving you this bonus. I don't know if there's any other bank that does this. I think it's a CBN policy, I'm not sure, but I've only seen this enacted by Zenith Bank. So let me know if any other banks pay you or you get a bonus for receiving USD into your account. So yeah, that's the long and short of withdrawing from your Skrill account. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section. Let me know also if you have any thoughts, anything, any questions at all in and around what we discuss on this channel in the comment section, and I'll try to answer your questions. Thank you guys for watching the video, and don't forget to watch the next video. See you there. Take care.